Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking to dominate the gold charts on TradingView, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm breaking down the best gold indicators on TradingView that can seriously upgrade your trading game. Whether you are scalping, day trading, or swing trading, XAUUSD, okay, that is the gold pair. These tools will help you pinpoint better entries and exits, and most importantly, avoid the noise. Now, you might be wondering why gold needs unique indicators. The fact is that gold is one of the most volatile pairs in the market. It reacts hard to news, sentiment shifts, and geopolitical uncertainty. That means your typical indicators may not cut it. You need tools that adapt to sudden momentum, highlight strong reversals, and work well across time frames. So we are not talking about standard stuff. We are talking about optimized, gold-tested indicators that traders rely on every day. So the first indicator we want to look at is going to be the VWAP. All right, the VWAP anchored. Okay, the anchored VWAP indicator. All right. Okay, I don't know if this particular version of the indicator is faulty. Let's just try out another. We know the TradingView platform has a whole lot of indicators available, and you might see several variations of a single indicator. So let's try this one out. All right, we're good to go. We're good to go. Okay, now this isn't your basic VWAP, right? You can anchor it to key session opens or major swing points. For gold, the London and New York opens are crucial. All right, anchoring VWAP there helps track real institutional flow. Okay, so it helps. Okay, we're going to leave it at session. We're going to leave the anchor period on session, right? So when price reacts to these levels, you get cleaner setups with reduced noise. Now we're going to look at the RSI plus divergence indicator. RSI plus divergence. RSI plus divergence indicator. Gold often prints aggressive false moves, but divergences help you catch the real trend shifts. Okay, so this indicator actually helps you to mark hidden and regular divergences. It's perfect for catching reversals without guessing. You can see that on different intervals, we had the indicator give us divergence signal. This was a good example. Price made higher highs. You can see that's very obvious. Price made higher highs here, and the indicator gave us a bearish divergence signal when the RSI made lower highs. So you don't even need to plot your divergence by yourself. The indicator does it automatically for you. All you just have to do is to watch out for the signals. When you watch out for the signals, you pick your trade accordingly. Ensure that you observe good risk management practices. Okay, so this indicator is quite a unique one, and it's very beneficial for trading gold. Now the next indicator we're going to look at is the trend meter. All right, the trend meter indicator. The trend meter indicator. Okay, so this one is about visual clarity. When gold starts trending, this indicator will let you ride the move without second guessing. When you are in a bearish trend, for example, you're going to notice a domination of red. It's just going to be red all the way. right? You might see minor greens representing pullbacks. But basically, when you notice, especially the four lines, when the four lines, all of them are painting red, it shows that the trend is indeed bearish. And when the four layers, the four lines are all painting green, it shows that the trend is indeed bullish. So you want to ensure that there is an alignment of the color code across the four lines before you proceed to executing a trade, whether in the bullish direction or in the bearish direction. It's super easy. Now, the next indicator we're going to be looking at is the volume profile. All right, we're going to be looking at the volume profile indicator. Okay, the volume profile indicator. Now, gold respects volume clusters like a magnet. You can use this to spot value areas, points of control, and low volume nodes. Entries near these zones with confirmation from other tools is a chef's kiss. Okay, so you want to pay attention to the concentration of volume around the particular area. You pay attention to that, the area that is serving as a magnet, because price will likely revisit that area. If you have price happen to surge in a particular direction and you notice a concentration of volume around the particular area, you notice that price will likely revisit that area, even possibly at intervals. All right, so you want to also get confirmations before you execute your trade based on this indicator. Now, lastly, it's important not to neglect indicators that are strictly based on price action, such as indicators like the BOS or CHOCH visual tool. And I'm going to be looking at the price action toolkit light. This is a unique indicator that helps you identify BOS and CHOCH zones on the chart. When you have a breakout, this is like an SMC indicator. When you have a breakout, break of structure, a break of structure or a change of character, this indicator automatically identifies it for you and helps you to identify the origin, the zone, the order block zone. You can see it points out or it highlights the order block zone for you, and even helps you to draw dynamic support and resistance, in the form of trend lines. So whenever you have price revisit an order block zone, it could be a good entry point for a trade. So just pay attention to the trend lines, pay attention to the break of structure and change of character levels, and at the same time pay attention to the order block zones. Those are important factors to consider when using this indicator. Now, if you found this video valuable, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps the content flowing. And if you want more gold strategies like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let us build that trading edge together, one video at a time. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.